Spy Gear. Gear up for action.
Secure the package. I'm on it.
With the Spy Gear video walkie-talkies, you can video chat over 150 feet away.
He's headed your way.
Then you can capture all the action with the Spy Gear Action Cam. You can clip it almost anywhere. And with the 3-mode camera, you can record video and share it with friends. Now you can gear up for action with the Spy Gear Action Cam and video walkie-talkie. Each product sold separately, batteries not included, from Spin Master.